Have you heard about ApeCoin? Remember guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so please do your own research before you decide to ape into this ApeCoin. Ape token was airdropped to Bored Ape Yacht Club holders on the 16th of March 2020. The Ethereum-based token was distributed among holders of both the Bored Ape NFTs and the Mutant Ape NFTs, excluding those who hold Kennel Club NFTs. However, holders who possess either the Bored Ape NFT or Mutant Ape NFT and the Kennel Club NFT receive some bonus tokens. These tokens are claimed on the official ApeCoin website. Now, if you don't know about BAYC, it's a profile picture NFT project created by a pseudonymous company called Yuga Labs. It was created by 4 individuals. They were first minted on April 23rd, 2021 and sold out on April 30th, 2021. During their launch, they had a mint price of just 0.08 Ethereum. However, it has now become the most successful NFT project behind CryptoPunks, with the cheapest now over $280,000 with a market cap of about 2.8 billion. Now, a little bit more about Ape tokens. On the 16th of March 2022, BAYC launched its official native token, ApeCoin. The token is intended to make a transition from NFTs into gaming and commerce. At its launch, 93 million out of 1 billion tokens minted had been sold. ApeCoin is distinct from the Yuga company behind the BAYC. The ApeCoin is a part of the ApeCoin Decentralized Autonomous Organization, with some chosen managers managing the development of the DAO for 6 months. After the 6 months tenure, holders of the ApeCoin can then use their governance ability to select the next set of managers for 1 year. Now, prior to the launch of the token, the BAYC collection witnessed a fall in price from an average of $317,000 to $220,000. However, after the launch, the prices rose. At the launch of this token, other fake ape tokens like ApeCoin.dev also launched. This periodic coin currently has a market cap of 1.5 million and is valued at 0.145 cents. And while CoinMarketCap sends out a warning against these tokens, other exchanges like Gemini or Binance US agree to make the ApeCoin token available for trading. A tweet from the official ApeCoin Twitter account stated that the tokens airdropped had to be claimed by all BAYC ecosystem NFTs within a 90-day period. All original Bored Ape holders will receive 10,000 tokens, while the Mutant Ape holders receive 2,000 tokens. In total, 15% of the overall tokens in supply will go to NFT holders, another 16% goes to Yuga Labs, 14% to other contributors to the project, 8% to the BAYC founders, and 1% goes to the Jane Goodall Legacy Foundation in support of real apes. Finally, 47% will be granted to the DAO treasury and resources. Although the ApeCoin token is still very new, it ranks at number 76 at the time of this video based on its market cap. So you might be wondering, what are the uses of Ape tokens? Now, ApeCoin is a governance token that is also used for transactions and payments on Web3 apps. As a governance token, ApeCoin will be used to vote on community proposals relating to the token. Proposals like the selection of the people involved in the operation of the DAO, staking rewards, and ecosystem fund allocation will be voted on through the token. Now, one of the major goals with the release of the token is the increase of its utility both on and off Web3 platforms. Companies like Saltwater Brewery in Florida and 11 residencies in Miami now accept payments in ApeCoin. In the crypto gaming industry, Animoca Brands and Amway have both agreed to integrate Ape into play-to-earn games. In conclusion, BAYC is a huge project, and although it has met a number of criticisms due to the pseudo-anonymity of the Yuga Labs founders, it has overall met a favorable market since the time of its inception to date. In order to tackle the aspect of investing in pseudonymous companies, future investors are urged to put in a little bit more effort into getting the names of the owners, as these details are never entirely hidden. Now, since its launch, the token has shown some great progress and possibilities, but I want to know your opinion. What do you think about ApeCoin? Is it a huge success, or will it disappear into the gravestones of 99.99% of all other crypto projects? As always, guys, stay safe in the DeFi space and have an amazing day.